Hey guys, all right. Got it all unpacked out of the box. Time to start putting it together. I'll be back. Okay, there it is, guys, put together. I'd say give yourself, for sure, an hour at least, depending on how good you are at putting these together. But now we're gonna get it set back in the corner back there. My wife's gonna get it all set up the way she wants it. I'll come back and show you the total finished product. All right, guys, got it where we want it, and it's fully stocked. You can see we got wine glasses in the hangers there, little bottle rack. Went with glasses and other stuff up top. And don't have quite enough to fill this up, but liquor and some other glasses and stuff in the bottom. So I'm sure it'll quickly fill up here, but there it is. Finished product. Overall, easy to put together and it looks great. Hope that helps. Thanks.